What if your favorite indicator could automatically enter trades, set your stops, and trail into profit, all without needing to click a single button? That's exactly what we're going to do today with the Predator X. Now, if you have some sort of an indicator that prints arrows, text signals, or has some sort of identifiable plot value, there's a good chance we can turn it into a fully automated strategy. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 different methods we can use: draw object signals, plot-based entries, and automated plot order management. So with that, let's get right into it. First up, draw objects. If your indicator prints some sort of a signal with an arrow or text or something similar, we can use that as an entry trigger. Here's how it works. All you have to do, double click on that signal, and all we have to do is extract the tag. In this case, we're just looking at the above upper and below lower. All we need to do is head over to our custom signal section, and inside the entry signal, we are going to type that in: above upper and below lower. Now all you have to do is disable, re-enable, and once you re-enable, it should validate it. Once it validates the entries, the Predator will detect that signal and enter the trade automatically with any order management you have selected. This works with all kinds of signals as well. Here's an example with the SMM indicator. I know this one's very popular at the moment, but it's the exact same process. The Predator X can fully or semi-automate these entries for you. Now, let's talk about plots. These are very similar to the draw objects, but they open up a whole new world of possibilities. You'll find plot signals in many different indicators. First, they are in my own indicators. You can find them on Ninja indicators as well, Livewire. Many different vendors will have some sort of a plot signal. So in this case, for a bullish signal, we have a +1. And for a bearish signal, we have a -1. And not all indicators are coded the same. If you need help finding what plot value your indicator has, I do have another short video in our user guide that will cover all of this in a lot more detail. But for now, just as a quick example of how we can use plots, again, all we have to do, create that entry signal, change this to plot mode, and right from the dropdown, we have all of our signals. So all we have to do is make sure we select the correct plot that we're using with the correct operator for that signal. And then once we load it, again, once it detects that signal, it's going to automatically enter that trade for you. But we can get creative with plots too. For example, maybe you want to build a MACD crossover. All you have to do is load the MACD on the chart, and this is going to be outside of the Predator. Simply load it on your chart, enable the Predator, and again, all we have to do, go to the entry signals, and we're going to set it to cross above 0 for the longs, and then cross below 0 for the shorts. Then all we have to do is select the diff plot. And once we have that loaded on the chart, it's going to automatically enter us into the trade whenever it detects that crossover condition.
Order submitted. Order filled.
And we can also trigger a trade when the price itself crosses any indicator plot on the chart. We're going to use this modified swing indicator as an example. All you have to do is set it to P cross or price cross. And again, select your indicator that you're using. And now when the price crosses that indicator,
order submitted.
It's going to submit your order again with any order management you have selected. And this will work with any indicator plot that's loaded on the chart. But now here's where it gets even more powerful. And that's using indicator plots to manage the orders automatically. Now, typically, if you want to set an order to some sort of an indicator plot, you have to go to your order after it's submitted, right click on it, attach to indicator, and go through this entire process to set that indicator to the plot. But that's not the case with the Predator X. Let me show you an example. With the Predator's order management system, we're able to set profit targets, stop loss, and trail those stops all automatically based on any indicator plot on the chart. To do that, we simply go to our order management section on the right-hand panel and select the plot that we want to use for the stop loss. So in this case, I'm going to select the swing low. And yes, don't worry, we can choose different plots between longs and shorts. Just click on this button over here. And now we can select the swing high for the short. And we can do the exact same thing to trail that stop. So for the long, we're going to trail every new swing low. For the short, we're going to trail every new swing high as long as it goes into profit. So let's see what this looks like. So we're just waiting for a candle
Order
to close.
submitted.
We get into the trade. Our stop automatically gets set to that swing high. Now we get a second swing high that's going into profit, and the Predator X is going to automatically trail on every new swing high, or whatever plot we have selected. This can be any plot on the chart as long as it moves into profit. And of course, this applies to profit targets as well. Here's an example with the ORB. We can easily build an ORB bot with just a few clicks. Here, I'm just setting the profit targets. I have my stops set at the middle. Again, whatever you want to do, the choice is completely up to you.
Order submitted.
Here, we enter a trade. Our stop gets set right to the middle. And then our profit targets get set to whatever plots we have defined. As long as the plot is on the chart, we can use that for any order management we want. So there you go. That's 3 ways we can integrate indicators into the Predator X order entry system. Again, that's draw objects, plots, and automated order management. And if you do want to dig deeper into how all of this works, we have a full user guide over at TradeSaber.com. We have a ton of in-depth videos that will teach you exactly how to automate your indicators. Not only that, but we also offer a 7-day free trial for anybody that wants to try it. And yes, this is a lifetime license. You only pay once. All future updates are included for free. And we also have a free Discord where you can ask questions and find even more content. Links for everything you see here are going to be down below. But with that, I really hope you guys found this video useful. As always, take care, enjoy.